Welcome back to My Twin Kitchen Living Egg Free. My name is James.
And my name is Max.
We are so confident with our bread mixes and our keto starter concentrate that we have decided to put out a competition to young chefs, old chefs, young bakers, old bakers, anybody out there who thinks that they can beat us with our keto gluten-free sourdough. This is the whole structure. Now, here are some of the rules. It's got to be keto, it's got to be gluten-free, and it's got to be sourdough, and it's vegan friendly, no wheat, no grains, no nuts, no egg, no gums, no soy, no dairy, no rising agents, and it's got to be gluten-free. Come on. How hard is it to beat a couple 12-year-olds? Seriously.